Here's why you may have dark circles under your eyes, and more importantly, my 6 tips how to fix them. Okay, one of the causes could be that you've got an unhealthy digestive tract, what I call the messy microbiome, and you could have some less favorable organisms living in there that could be causing actually those dark circles under your eyes. Another cause for dark circles could be vitamin and mineral deficiency. So it could be an iron deficiency, which could be related to that number 1 cause with the messy microbiome, because some of those unwanted organisms can often rob you of your iron. Vitamin D, vitamin C, and even a vitamin K deficiency can manifest as having those dark circles. Another cause could be issues with your kidneys, especially if you've got some swelling and puffiness under the eyes, as well as lack of sleep, as we know, a big cause for darkness under the eyes. Allergies and chronic allergies, sinusitis as well, can cause those dark circles, and just simple dehydration. So this becomes important to maintain your proper hydration if you do suffer with dark circles. But let's go through all of my tips here. Tip number 1 is to do a microbiome cleanse. So one of my favorite combinations, I coined the phrase CABO. So these herbal medicines, cloves, artemisia, black walnut, and oregano, taken in combination, fantastic for that microbiome cleanse. And what these herbal medicines do is they actually kill some of those bad guys that are in your gut, in your digestive tract. Amazing to clean up that environment and really clean out that microbiome. Tip number 2 is to do a full body detox. This is part of that microbiome cleanse as well, because these less favorable organisms, and candida for example, gives off a number of toxins, and we definitely want to address that toxic load. So using different herbal medicines and actually addressing the kidneys and doing part of that as a kidney detox as well as part of that full body detox with another combination of herbal medicines, great to get those organs more efficient at eliminating that toxic load, can really be helpful not only for your skin in general, but for those dark circles. Tip number 3 is to make sure that you're getting enough vitamins and minerals. So if you are going to take vitamins, make sure they're always whole food vitamins, and looking at your K2 status, vitamin D deficiency, of course getting more natural sunlight exposure on your skin, vitamin C, and of course that iron. And if you are going to take an iron supplement, just make sure it's really gentle on your stomach. The one that I like is an iron bisglycinate, and it's in a whole food complex, so that's something that's really important because it's super gentle on the stomach and it's non-constipating. Okay, tip number 4 is to fix your circadian rhythms, and getting that regular sleep schedule as part of your circadian biology becomes very, very important. I actually dedicated an entire chapter to this in my new book, The Lost Medicine, so you can check that out. Okay, tip number 5 is allergies and sinusitis specific herbal medicines. And there are a number of natural antihistamines which are remarkable, especially for those dark circles. If this is related to allergies and your sinuses being clogged, can really help to drain everything. Amazing without the side effects. And number 6 is to make sure you're drinking enough water. I mean, it seems so simple, but if you are dehydrated, that can make your dark circles under your eyes so much worse. Now, those herbal medicines that I mentioned, I want you to learn about them in my other video, Herbal Medicines for Allergies and Sinusitis. You're going to learn about them there. Absolutely fantastic. I'll see you there.